Okay, where the fuck am I? Is this a human school?
Yes, hi, welcome, I'm Eli. And you are,
I'm Dorothy. But why the fuck am I here? How did I get here? Oh, crap.
Nice name, Dorothy. But you don't know how you got here? How about we be friends until you have to leave? Here, let's go get some lunch. Blimey, I am starving. Okay, let's go. They have a buffet here. What do you like?
Eli, I didn't even get to finish what I was gonna say. But, anyway, I like everything. You know what? I will have everything.
Great plan. I'm going to pop to the toilet really quickly. I'll be right back. Oh my, I'm so... stuffed. I've gone all fatwy. It's kind of... cute.
Yeah, this is a normal meal for me, but I'm still hungry. You look so good to eat.
What? Me? Okay, as long as you get me out after, I suppose it would be warm. Whoa, this is warm as fuck. I could live in...
And melt, haha. She thought she could have gotten away with getting back out. Oh shit. My buttons are about to pop. My shirt is about to rip. What?